I'm telling you all of this because you're a writer. You can use it. I love Constantine, but it's no good. Loving without hope, waiting for years to an end for something that will never be, waiting for the weather to change. I decided I'm gonna tear this love out of my heart, tear it by the roots. I'm getting married to Medvedenko. No love involved, just lots of responsibilities. And anyway, anything for a change. Shall we have another one? Come on, don't look at me like that. Lots of women drink more than you think. Some of them openly, like me, but most of them in secret. And it's either vodka or brandy. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for being kind to me. Send me your books and don't forget to sign them, not to usual so-and-so. Write to Masha. God knows whence and God knows why.